up, everybody? Welcome back to Get Lit with Shay. Y'all, welcome back to a brand new video. Today it's hot as hell out here. But we about to do our first collection of our candy machine. We at Ward's Transmission. So we about to change out the peanut M&Ms out, and we're about to change out the gumballs. We're gonna change them out to the blow pop So yeah, this is my first collection on the candy machine. Let's go right on in, y'all. It's a pretty good location. They work on fits on cars. It's a mechanic shop. So what I have in this candy machine is the Skittles, the peanut M&M, and the video. Make sure y'all like it, comment, and make sure y'all subscribe if y'all like those. If y'all like these type of collection videos, let me know in the comments. I will bring more of the collection videos out to y'all. Okay. This is location number 1. Well, y'all, we checking the coin collection. Yes, look at them quarters, y'all. Them are pretty good stack of quarters there. Filling it up with Skittles. Some blow pop bubble gums there. Some fresh bubble gum. Some M&Ms. Change the M&Ms out to the green and red M&Ms. Push this right around the corner. Look at those quarters. Nice stack. Now I'm wiping the machine down, sanitize it. Make sure y'all look at all those quarters. This is our first collection of the candy gumball machine. So, this is $35.50 collection from the first location. So we're about to go to the second location, to the snack machine. So, this is $35.50, y'all. Look at all those orders. This is 1 month of collection. This is my first collection at this mechanic shop. We got a candy machine, as y'all see, at that location. So I'm about to head on to the next location. Here we open the machine up. This is location number 2. Open. We are trying to get the machine. Stocking up some tuna crackers here. We trying these new products out in our machine. We got some Slim Jim here. Stocking up the new Slim Jim. So we stocking up about 10 Slim Jim with the cheese. So we putting 10 in the machine today. And also, we stocking up some more honey buns here, some glazed honey buns. We just making sure we got plenty here. Okay, now we are checking the coin box. I guess I'm just trying to see how many quarters we had made up in there. Nice little stack. We about to see how much we made. We got a nice little stack of ones there. So this is 2 weeks worth, y'all. This is the fun part. I like collecting the money from the machine. So yeah, that's a nice little stack that we got there. Like I said, it's 2 weeks worth. But yeah, now we got the machine all stocked up, filled up. We are sanitizing the machine down with some Lysol wipes. This is what y'all want to do after y'all get done stocking up. I just like to keep my machine clean, sanitized, because a lot of people be using it, have their hands all on it. So it's good to kill the germs. You got the bed. Lock it up. We at the shop. They in the shop working. I'm in here taking care of this. So we're gonna lock it back. Y'all, we about to count this up. Alright, y'all. That's 1. Y'all can count along with me. That's 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 39, 50. All of this, a pretty good little stack that came out the machine. And the rest of them in quarters. So this is $39.50. $39.50. So we did pretty good for, I guess, 2 weeks of collection. But once we get that card reader on there, we will make more sales. So trying to get a card reader, and there is a part that I need to get for the machine. So we still working on that, y'all. But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all like these type of collection video, let me know in the comments. All right. I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. Peace.
What's good?